welcome back into another tutorial. This tutorial is for a move that I created that I call Meiosis. I've been developing this for over probably 6 or 7 months, and I finally figured out a closer for it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope that you enjoy, and let's hop right into it. So of course you start with the deck in dealer's grip. You take your right hand to go over in biddle grip, and you're going to perform a swing cut. Now a swing cut is you're going to take your index finger and break off part of the deck. Let me make sure I have this in focus here. You're gonna break off part of the deck with your index finger, and then what I do is I hit this top packet on my middle finger and slide my index finger down like this. Now what I'll do is I'll bring this index finger over and contact the bottom of this top packet, and I'll rotate it around like this. So now you're here, right? Then you take your thumb of your dealer's grip hand and you place it on the bottom and use your right index finger or biddle grip index finger to break off a packet. So now you're like this. Then you continue to swing around to where the top packet right here that I'm shaking goes under the other packet, and then you connect that with your pinky finger like this. So you're kind of in a scissor grip here. Next, once that packet connects, you're going to use your index finger to break off another packet, and then you're going to rotate that forward. Now, as you rotate that forward with your biddle grip hand, or in this case, my right hand, I'm going to rotate that whole hand forward. And now this middle packet that's kind of here between these two index fingers, I'm going to lift up my back hand or my dealer's grip hand and kind of pinch this bottom packet between my thumb and my index finger on my right hand. So now what I do when I do that is it kind of like pushes my left hand to go ahead and complete this scissor cut. And once I've completed the scissor cut, I take my dealer's grip left hand and I come forward and I actually clip this packet to where it falls on top. And now we're here. So you have your, this case, my right hand, my biddle grip hand. I have the deck, or half the deck kind of in this position. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my index finger, and I'm going to come back to where I hold the deck. You kind of have to stretch your fingers out to do it. But I hold the deck between my ring finger on the front and my index finger on the back. So what I will do is I'll do a Charlier cut. And then what I do is I flip my hand forward, and I use that to close it like that. So again, can come here like this. You try to get into the position. So you're here. So I take my index finger. Oh, that's the wrong way. So yeah, you're here. You Charlier cut. You take your index finger, put it on the back, and then you use that to flip it over, and you flip it between your index and middle finger, and that flops down, and then you close. So just to kind of go over it one last time, really quick, you do a modified swing cut with your second index finger involved like that. You then break off part of the packet connected to your thumb there, and you rotate it forward. Now you rotate it forward again all the way to past that other packet to where your thumb packet is on top. Then you connect with your pinky and peel off again. Then you rotate, in this case, my right hand or the biddle grip hand forward, like this, pinching it like that. And as I'm doing that, I'm also finishing the scissor cut. So when I close like that, I easily come forward, that flops on top, and then you do that weird index, middle finger flop down. And that is Meiosis. I'm gonna go through it as slow as I can, a couple more times, just for those people that like that. Just like that. So again, go around, come forward here, finish the scissor cut, flip this down, rotate this over, boom. Just like that. One more time, just for kicks and giggles. So when you get it in full motion, it should look something like this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you are very stoked to learn this move. Please tag us in anything you post on Instagram or YouTube with using this move. I'd love to see it. And if you don't mind, give us a like, give us a subscription. You can do it for free. You can subscribe to us for free. And I would absolutely love it if you guys would. If you guys want to be informed on when we post videos, also ring that bell. Thank you guys so much for coming, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.